Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow with a Gentle Shamim. Today I will show you how to find the best keywords for your Google Ads campaign. If you want to increase conversions, lower your ad costs, and target the right audience, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll be sharing some bonus tips that can save your money. Before jumping into the keyword research, let's first understand your campaign objectives. Are you looking for brand awareness, website traffic, or conversions? Defining this will help you find the right keywords that align with your goals. Use Google Keyword Planner. The best free tool for keyword research is Google Keyword Planner. Let me show you how to access it. Go to Google Ads and click Tools and click on Discover New Keywords. Enter your product or service. You can enter your website URL also here to generate keyword ideas. Then get results. Pay attention to search volume, competition level, and estimated CPC. Find competitor keywords. One of my favorite strategies is to spy on competitors. Let's see what keywords they are targeting. Go to Google and search for your competitor in your niche. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest to analyze their paid keywords. This helps you discover high-performing keywords that you might have missed. Use long-tail keywords for better targeting. Instead of targeting broad keywords like running shoes, try long-tail keywords like best running shoes for flat feet. These keywords have lower competition and convert better. Categorize keywords for ad groups. Now let's organize our keywords into groups. This will help improve ad relevance and lower your cost per click (CPC). Check search volume intent. Use negative keywords. Not every keyword will bring you sales. Some are just informational searches. That's why we need to filter out keywords that don't match our intent and add negative keywords like free if we don't want freebie seekers. Validate keywords with Google Trends and Analytics. Before finalizing your keyword list, let's validate them using Google Trends and GA4 to make sure they are popular and relevant. Finalize keywords and add to Google Ads. Now let's finalize our keyword list and add them to our Google Ads campaign. Settings match type for better targeting. That's it. Now you know how to do keyword research for Google Ads the right way.